Grant riding his bike with his training wheels.
Push, push, push. There you go. You got it. You got it. There
Good job. Way to go, Grant.
You got the brake going. Okay. Good job. Whoops.
And there's May
You might tip it.
and Grammy.
You might tip it if you're not careful.
Way to go, Grant. Do you like your bike?
Grant, say something. Say hi, Mom. It might be hard to ride in the grass, Lovey.
Look at that. You're doing a good job. Yeah, let's take it back off the grass.
Get off of it and bring it back. Careful, though.
You want to say hi, May? Wave hi.
Careful, that's what happened, didn't it?
Can you wave?
Sidewalk.
Yeah, Grant's doing his bike. Okay, hop on it.
Okay, here you go. Push. There you go.
Way to go, Grant.
Push, push. Okay, push. Go, 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 go. Keep going. Push.
Use those leg muscles.
That's okay. You're trying. That's what you need to do.
Yeah.
Okay. Come on, come on.
Whoa, good job.
That's okay.
Can you wave hi? May, can you wave hi?
Say hi. Well, we'll put you on it if you want.
Okay, May wants to. Well, wait. May's going to practice.
Hang on.
Let's watch her
Hang on.
with Grammy.
Hi. Say hi. Hi, hi, hi.
There's Grant on his trike. Hi, May.
Say hi, Mommy.
May,
Hi, look at Mommy.
look up.
Okay.
Oh, good job.
The brake on, Lovey. Yep, you got the brakes on.
Bye, May.
Bye. Say bye, Mommy. Bye, Mommy. Okay, you ready to get